मैं हम लोग एक्चुअली, मुझे पता है, मेरे पास एक पेशेंट आती है, वो ऐसे कहती है कि उसका हस्बैंड उसका ऐसे बोलता है कि यू आर टू फेमिनिस्ट, गेट योर सेल्फ चेक्ड, एज इफ बीइंग अ फेमिनिस्ट, एंड शी इज अ वर्किंग वुमन, तो एज इफ बीइंग asking, being vocal about what you want, being asking for equality and thinking कि हर चीज़ दोनों को डिवाइड करके दोनों का जॉब है, is too feminist and it is कि उसका दिमाग खराब हो गया है and she should get herself checked from a psychiatrist because हम तो पागलों के डॉक्टर हैं. And she actually consulted for it as a genuine thing.
Okay, so it's like, you know what, male, they have still ego, they are not absorbing that thing, like they are not accepting like
Yes.
female are equally to us. They female are doing more than male, because female are doing like kids, they are seeing,
बच्चों का
then
देखना है,
बच्चों का देखना, घर का देखना,
काम भी
इवन
देखना
जॉब
है.
भी करते हैं, काम भी करते हैं, फैमिली को भी पूरा मैनेज करके रखते हैं, बट मेल आर डूइंग ओनली देयर वर्क एज अ जॉब.
हाँ, और उसके बाद घर आके पैर फैला के सो जाने का.
यस, और फिर इनको ये लगता है कि एक्चुअली फीमेल आर सुपीरियर in work and everything than male. They are not accepting that thing, so they are telling like you are like very demanding, or you are having so much expectation from me, and they are not accepting. So that's why they are telling you are like तुम पागल हो गई हो, तुम्हें साइकेट्रिस्ट को दिखाना चाहिए, like that.
Some of them are very difficult chaps, but मुझे लगता है कि ये सभी with the I really enjoy this spooky culture, to be very frank, कि कहीं ना कहीं they are normalizing a guy who is holding a purse, they're normalizing chivalry,
Yes.
the person who is opening the door, they're normalizing that it is okay to give a seat to a woman who might be having a menstrual cramps or suffering from PCOD or endometriosis, or maybe having some painful underlying thing that is going on, and that is okay. It doesn't come, it is still, they are equal. If they if you are giving a chair, it is still okay. There is another culture where people are, the men, they are actually normalizing a simple acts of love, so मुझे लगता है कि I really enjoy seeing these kind of reel on my feed.
एक्चुअली पता है, बहुत सारे गाइस को ये अच्छा भी लगता है करना, और उनको दे आर रेडी टू डू दिस, बट फ्रॉम फैमिली प्रेशर दे आर सीइंग दैट लाइक my mother was doing this thing, mother is like, they are grown up like that, mother is telling you are boy, you should not do this.
Yes.
This is your wife's duty, this is girl's duty, because like what, like if brother and sister are grown up in same family, sister used to do everything like
Yes.
folding clothes, washing vessels, making
भाई को दूध दे
cooking.
दे,
हाँ.
भाई को पानी दे
But
दे.
same time if maid is not coming, they never told their guy, like their boy, to do this thing what they are telling their sister. So that guy has having same impression like this is the work that
of a woman,
but
girl.
it is not like that. That is equal work, boy can also do and girl can also do.
So we are actually living in a society where we are seeing two different faces. One,
Yes.
जो सोशल मीडिया पे है वो एक अलग सा है, और जैसे कि मेरे को ऐसे हम लोग कल ही शायद किसी बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे, तो देयर इज दिस पर्सन, तो जब वो कहीं बाहर, मतलब वो जब बाहर जाते तो ही इज़ ऑल गुड, ही इज़ वेरी गुड, तो उसके अंदर कोई कमी नहीं निकाल सकता, ना फैमिली ना फ्रेंड्स. एंड व्हेन जब वो घर पे उसके संग होता है तो ही कैन बी वेरी, ही इज़ अब्यूजिव सेक्सुअली एंड वर्बली. वो उसको गालियाँ देगा या उसको अब्यूज़ करेगा, एंड लोगों को लग रहा है कि जो मार्क्स है लव बाइट्स है, जबकि वो बाइट्स नहीं है. दे आर सम दैट हार्म इज डन, उसने उसको मारा होगा किसी चीज़ के लिए. एंड वैसे जब वो सोशली है या वो सोशल पेजेस पे है या सोशल मीडिया पे, ही इज ऑल अमेजिंग गाय. तो देयर इज अ ड्रास्टिक कहीं ना कहीं दैट एक्सेप्टेंस इन दैट वुमेन ऑल्सो ना, कि मैं किसी को बोलूँगी तो मेरी बात नहीं मानेंगे.
वो चीज़ है, क्योंकि अभी भी अब हमारी सोसाइटी में ये है ना कि वुमेन्स जब ये सारी बातें खुल के कर नहीं सकते हैं, लाइक सेक्सुअली अब्यूज़ किया है या उनको ये प्रॉब्लम है, सो दे आर हैविंग दैट इज़ एवरीथिंग इन बेडरूम. If they'll go and tell, like they don't know whom to tell. If they'll go and tell to their mother-in-law or someone, they are telling it is like that, beta. You have to be
Deal with it.
Deal with it. Yeah, this is your marriage. You have to handle your marriage, because with us also this happens. So you should manage everything. But it is not like that. Everyone should know, like if they are having daughter-in-law, they are having daughter also.
Yeah.
So they make them to grown up same, like they are boy and daughter, both same, like both has to do work, and they have
Their
to
own
contribute
roles,
in each other.
See, even if she is not doing a job which gives her money, staying at home and taking care of home is also a job.
So
Not just monetized. That is a different aspect. ठीक है, monetized नहीं है, but it's a job.
So what I am feeling, every parent should make them their kids to understand how to respect girl and how to respect their work, each and every, that if
I
small
agree.
work also they should make them to understand like you should respect
Sir,
anyone's work,
See,
then only we'll get that
क्योंकि
respect.
ये एक लाइफ स्किल है ना. अगर आपको कपड़े धोना है, बर्तन धोना है, खाना बनाना है, लाइफ स्किल है, सबको आनी चाहिए. कोई जेंडर स्पेसिफिक रोल्स नहीं है. ये नहीं है कि तुमने उसको सिखाया उसको नहीं सिखाया.
हाँ,
तो क्या करेगा
सिखाना
सीख के?
चाहिए. सबको सिखाओगे, सबको ये रिस्पेक्ट सिखाओगे तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी में जो डिवोर्स हो रहा है, डिस्पैरिटी हो रही है, वो इतनी नहीं होगी. एंड दे विल बी लाइक इन अ गुड पेज
Yes.
एंड विल मेक गुड सोसाइटी, आई थिंक.
और क्या हम लोग दूसरे इंसान में खाली इसका पे स्किल देख के जज नहीं कर सकते कि वो इंसान कैसा है.
I think for marriage, yeah, for partner, it's money doesn't matter. Family, like how, like it belongs to which family, royal family. It doesn't matter. How is person and how is
How kind
along
he is.
with he is going.
Yes.
How loyal and trustworthy. That is very important.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
That is the
वहाँ
main
से
thing.
तो इंटीमेसी आएगी ना.
हाँ. So it's like marriage is having two parts. 50% sexual like things and 50% is family. So one, it's like coins two side. One is good, then another is definitely will become good.
अफेक्टेड ना,
Other
दोनों
one
ही
is
अपने
good,
आप में हैं.
हाँ. So one is affected, another one affected.
एक खुश है तो दूसरी भी अच्छी रहेगी.
So मुझे लगता है कि सबको एक तो रिस्पेक्ट देना सिखाना चाहिए. दूसरी चीज़, everyone should find a guy with whom they are having commit, like they can communicate easily without judgmental, and vibes should match irrespective of any salaries or their
I
background.